Hey guys, Amanda here, and in this video I am going to be playing a round of push the button with my friends on Twitch. So let's just start it. I'm not crazy about this game, but I had somebody request it, so let's just do this. I'm sure I'll have fun, so yeah. Let's see what I am. Look at that! Oh wait. I need to do something real quick. Oh crap. I didn't read it. Who the other alien was. Oh shoot! My thing isn't loading.
Humans received the following prompt. Taxidermy is not creepy. And now the participants' answers.
Wait. Okay, that's fine. It's fine.
Do any of these answers seem suspicious?
Speedy, you told us you were an alien. Kind of proving it.
3 among you are aliens and will be lying.
If you were our awesome friend Joe Beth, I would agree. But Nay, are you bored?
Hey everyone.
Oh, I need to.
Seems to be taking way too long to
Oh, I don't have the hurry button because. Oh no, it already passed. That's why.
Okay, next captain, you're in charge.
Who's the captain? Okay.
Okay, let's get a move on. Pick another room and test group. There's less than 18 minutes.
18 minutes.
Welcome to the writing pod.
What are you doing, Nay?
A fill-in-the-blank prompt. Answer honestly, because it will be scrutinized. The alien virus will allow the intruders to get something similar, but not quite right. When the correct prompt is revealed, it will be up to you to determine if any seem odd.
I know what I can do. I think I'm going to stop recording this, look back at what I filmed, and then I can find out who my aliens are. Okay, I figured it out. It is Cheddar is our other one. So yes, I'm gonna message San right now.
Aliens now have the ability to hack the prompts.
Hack the prompt.
When looking at their probe screen, an alien can select any human and secretly give them the alien prompt. To make things worse, aliens can help other aliens by secretly giving them a human prompt. Welcome to the drawing quarters. You'll be given a prompt to draw. Draw it the best you can because the alien virus will give our intruders a similar yet different prompt. When the drawings are revealed, cast suspicion on any you find to be a bit off.
Oh, yeah, taco
And
emote.
the human prompt was
Is that taco emote from
draw
someone?
a UFO.
Oh
Oh,
crap.
who drew a UFO? Oh, Amanda.
Keep in mind, someone may have gotten that
Me is
prompt,
bad at drawing.
or they could just be a terrible artist.
Cheddar
And don't forget about
maybe.
those alien hacks.
Clearly,
Smart aliens can make
Kenzie
someone
and
look
Speedy
suspicious by
have
hiding
it.
their prompts.
But Amanda, what do you, come on.
You can now push the button and take us to the extraction room. But I would recommend you only do this once you're confident in your suspicions. Okay, next captain, you're in charge.
Who's captain? Oh.
I already have 2 of my guesses. I don't know if they got hacked. They could have gotten hacked, but I would give it to Ross and Ariel Tiana, my beautiful mod.
No.
As 2 of the 3 that I would say, but I don't know. I can't. You can't draw.
We're on the clock
You
here,
know,
people, so let's keep
you know
going.
this. You know enough to make an alien ship. Let's be honest. Come on.
I don't.
The UFO, you give it wings.
The UFO drank some Red Bull. I'll put that in the chat.
If they're an alien. Okay, next captain, you're in charge.
It was flying away. Okay, so now I think a cheetah is the other way.
Oh good, I'm not in there right now. Push that hurry button so that they wouldn't expect, they'd be like, oh wait, she's pushing hurry, so how can she be an alien, right? Right?
How dare you ruin it? How dare you ruin it?
Next captain.
Rossland. Ross Gellerland?
Welcome to the deliberation deck. Humans will be given a difficult decision and must choose
I need to
which
like
answer seems
refresh my thing, it
appropriate to
keeps
them.
like bugging out on me.
See no dilemma and must choose their
Okay.
answers blindly.
Hey, you guys know
Flush,
we
and you think?
met on chat rooms
Aliens may
and the
have to
Discord.
justify
Don't
their
forget
random
to go in
selection
the
and
chat
face
rooms.
suspicion. If they're an
Gross.
alien,
I would just,
bet it's
I don't even want to mention it. I hacked myself.
Do any of these seem stinky? Now you have to decide who's an alien.
These questions,
or
man.
just make life decisions.
These questions
Real weird.
are ridiculous.
How is that sus? Like, I don't want to tell them about their poop. I'm gonna hack myself again.
Next captain, please.
Save my own butt. Oh shit, make me draw again. I hope not. Good, and make me draw a thing.
Did I mention that if humans use all of their button pushes without success, you lose? Well, you do.
You do. I'm gonna wait until some people look sus. They put 2 out of the 3 aliens in there. Probably because they already think I am. I should have hacked one of them. Oh, I'm so mad at them. They can hack themselves too. I'm trying to save my own butt though.
And the prompt for humans was draw your ideal day off.
Speedy. That's very sus of you. I'm gonna push hurry because I want them to see that I'm pushing it.
I don't fucking know how to draw. Why did I just see that right now?
Isn't gonna fix itself.
Oh man.
Because you're not paying attention.
Captain.
That's why. I'm just gonna let it go. I normally be like, hello humans, push the hurry button, but not this time because I'm an alien. His typing is really loud.
Here's the correct prompt. A historical figure I'd like to marry is.
Ooh. Someone's gonna put Hamilton.
There's gotta be a clue.
Wait, what? There's
Rossland.
I'd like to marry is no one. I'm waiting until marriage. What did you get, Rossland?
Alien. Rossland is an alien.
Marilyn Monroe.
It should tell you on the bottom how many hacks aliens have. Oh shoot, I am the person.
It makes sense.
Next captain
Bye.
identified.
You know, whatever your taste.
Oh, what? Someone push the button? Because I was trying to pick. Yeah, that button's been pushed.
Welcome to the extraction room. Check it out. I've stopped the timer. It's costing me a lot of CPU, but I don't want you to feel rushed. Since you were the one to push the
That's how I love
button,
talking. Hey,
isolate the
Get it,
three
Kenzie.
crew members who
Oh,
believe are
no.
aliens and
Don't
press
put me in, don't
confirm.
put me in.
Since this is our first time here, you have 2 minutes to just.
They put me in there.
Now the non-isolated members shall vote. If you all vote yes, and these players are aliens, then the humans and Noah are safe. But if one of them is a human, then it's curtains for us all. Okay, time.
wow,
Yeah.
Sand was like,
The
nope.
vote has failed.
Sand was like, nope. No, Congress, they are not.
Thank you, Sam. We want us
To be
all
honest,
to win.
that's if you get it wrong. Oh, God, you guys have 3 minutes. You guys are gonna. Who's Rossland putting in? Rossland's putting in Santana, Ariel, and Speedy.
Thank you,
Cheddar.
Cheddar.
Nope. You guys are running out of time. The aliens are gonna win.
Pushing the button, but you
So
only
remember
get
that.
one push each. If the humans run out
One
of
push.
button pushes, the aliens over the ship. All right, you're the next
Let's
captain.
take it over.
Please make
Let's
the
go.
opportunity count.
Make the opportunity. Oh, yep.
Damn.
Go to row
They're just going like bam, 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 bam.
Cool. Good job. Santana, Tiana, and Rosalind are on the deck. It has to be unanimous vote.
Not me.
Anyone
I'm
says
Errol
no,
Tiana, in case you don't know.
go
I
again.
forgot to
Timer
put it.
keeps going. Oh, San said
I
no.
forgot to say.
The vote has failed.
San, why are you saying no?
Count.
It's literally not me, but okay.
Okay. Okay, good. I put someone that was hacked in there.
I'm not an alien, I swear. Do not put me in this. Draw an emoji.
What do you think?
So you
I
guys
should
don't
put Ross in here. I didn't do this very well, did I? But I kept a suspicion about Ross.
It's not cool. Someone pushed the button.
Okay, Speedy's good choice. Rosalind, me.
Tiana, Rosalind, and Speedy are so far in the thing.
I wish I could push that hurry button myself.
The vote has failed.
San said no way. Alien is still on the ship. Rosalind, Hello Kitty,
Hurry
and
up,
Cheddar
Captain.
are now in there.
The vote has
So it's
failed.
like, nee.
I'm gonna wait to push the button just
Everybody,
a
this
little
is the
bit.
game where everybody has to lie. 40 seconds. I
Oh,
think
someone
aliens
pushed the
will win.
button
You guys are
right
already
now,
on time.
so my heart's like beating so
Sad, this is
fast.
like politics. It's Big Brother. You gotta tell everybody why you think it's these people and convince them.
I know that. I'm trying to show you.
Make my nephew's band recital.
Okay, Sam. Put in Ross. Put in Speedy.
So Cheddar, Rosalind, and
Wow, he sacrificed Cheddar. Oh, someone said no. I'm gonna put Rossland, Speedy, and Hello Kitty.
You gotta convince everybody, guys.
Can we get it this time? This glitching is giving me a
This is like the
headache.
most I've ever seen buttons being pushed. Rosalind, Speedy, and Sam are now in. Taze put it in.
What did Cheddar put? Guess I'll put yes. Why not? Sorry, Sam.
This Kenzie didn't put
Speedy, Rossland, and Kenzie. I'm gonna put in.
Don't run out of buttons.
You have a
I don't know if my button push worked.
you're the last one
Okay.
to press the button.
Speedy,
I didn't read it.
Rossland, and
Another chance to
Kenzie.
Alright, Errol Tiana is now doing hers. Speedy, Rosalind, and Kenzie.
Yep, that's who I think.
Oh,
Oh,
Tay said
Tay. I
Don't
think
it's game.
Cheddar still has it.
There's less than 1 minute.
Yep. It's 5 seconds. If you guys haven't held the button
We'll
right
see.
now, it's game over. Yeah, it's game over. Right?
Game
oh, no,
over.
Someone got it with 1 second to spare. I've
Ooh,
never
Cheddar,
seen 1 second to spare. So Cheddar, this is the end of it.
Yes. You say yes?
Aliens automatically win.
Yes, 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 yes,
That's
yes.
the truth. So let's hope that Cheddar is
Okay.
100% right. If you do not agree, aliens automatically win. We have Squad,
Whew.
and alright, we have everybody said yeah. Let's see how close you guys are. Santana saying
Woo.
wow, we're all humans. Aliens would have won anyways, let's be honest. If you guys didn't say yes. San and Amanda. And someone said Amanda. And someone, I don't know if it was Cheddar. I know she was in one of them. And San, that's freaking funny.
We won. We won.
That's so funny. Yeah, you guys didn't have a chance. You guys took too long.
I made
That's
myself look so
funny.
suspicious in the beginning, and then I was defending myself a little bit, and then I was like, well, let's just stop saying stuff.
Cheddar, to be honest, it kind of looks like you are. It looks like Amanda got some of her skills back, and you're taking some of it too. And Rob, where's Rob at? Like, Rob usually here the whole game. Either knocked out or went to another stream. I don't know. Shit, what a game. Like, sometimes I like just watching this game. Like, watching you guys go.
That was Push the Button, everybody. Sorry if it was a mess, it got confusing. If you want a better explanation of it, I will try to find one online. I'll put a link down below. I will also put down a link below to a Second Reality's Twitch. We have game nights on Tuesdays and Fridays every week, 7 p.m. Pacific. So it could be a different time for you depending on your time zone, even a different day. because you might be way ahead of us. It's a lot of fun. I will also leave a link to my Twitch down below if you want to check it out. I stream sometimes, sporadically, mostly Pokemon Go, obviously because I have some Pokemon Go videos on here, and Wizards Unite. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a fabulous day, a fabulous week, a fabulous month, a fabulous year, and a fabulous life.